Honorable Mayor Joy Belmonte of Quezon City, ASEC Lilian De Leon from the DILG, Dr. Edwin Mercado, the newly appointed PhilHealth President and CEO, Dr. Corazon Langel from the Philippine Cancer Society, Ms. Melissa De Leon Joseph, a cancer survivor, PCS Cancer Commission Foundation Board led by Dr. Rami Rojas, and all the members of the Board of Directors, the PCS Vice President and PCSF President, Dr. Joey Mendoza, members of the Board of Regents of the Philippine College of Surgeons, officers of the other subspecialty and specialty societies, past President Dr. Juby Villaflor, our beloved patient groups, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Dapat may good morning. Good morning. You know, this is actually the way we should set the tone for this meeting, you know. This is a gathering of family, friends, fellow survivors, and advocates. And we should all be, you know, very lively as we start our day. The PCS Cancer Commission was spearheaded and formed by the Philippine College of Surgeons in 2019. Together with Dr. Rami Rojas, we presented to the Board of Regents the idea of a commission as early as 2016, different from the existing Cancer Committee of the College. We envisioned a commission that will bring together all stakeholders, medical, non-medical, patient groups, government and non-government organizations in the fight against cancer that will enable us to advocate the prioritization and implementation of the country's cancer programs and to provide a venue for collaboration and cooperation that we badly need considering the limited resources available at our disposal. It takes a multidisciplinary team of health workers to diagnose and treat this disease. But it takes an all-community effort to minimize its impact, or being a dreamer as I am, to beat it once and for all. The Philippine National Cancer Summit was first held in the PMA Auditorium. It's just a day's activity with very few in attendance. Now, it's been held annually here in this beautiful venue in the heart of Quezon City, and with attendance running to close to thousands or more than 1,000, both here and online, we have actually achieved a lot. We have truly come to a long way, but the objective remains the same: to bring everyone on the table for a concerted fight against cancer. Even the pandemic failed to dampen the spirit we have started in 2019. The Philippine College of Surgeons is not only committed to providing quality surgery for all, but we strive to go beyond surgery. We are committed to nation building. We have joined hands with our partners in the PCS Cancer Commission Foundation to make a big and significant impact in our common goal of defeating this dread disease. Cancer can affect anyone regardless of gender or status in life. Cancer affects families, communities, and our country at large. Let us all make our efforts stronger, our voice louder, and our resolve firmer. Together, we can make a difference. Mabuhay ang PCS Cancer Commission Foundation, mabuhay ang Philippine National Cancer Summit, mabuhay ang mga lumalaban at patuloy na lalaban sa cancer. Mabuhay tayong lahat.